Welcome to World Geography. Today the tutorial is related to top 3 sites for raster GIS data to be downloaded free. On these sites you need just to make your registration, then you will get data from here free. So these top 3 sites are here from where you get the GIS raster data. So I am showing you it on websites, and its links also mentioned in the description of the video. So as you can see, this is our first site of USGS Art Explore. So here you also need your registration of through your email. When you create your ID here, so you can easily download the data from here. Almost all kind of data is available here. Okay, so we going on the next, that is Earthdata. Here almost you also need the account to create it, then you will get the data from here. Okay, so as you can see there, almost all kinds of data is available here. Now we going to the third one, that is a Google Earth Engine. A Google Earth Engine is a widely ranged platform which providing the raster data, such kind of all kind of data available here, like our Landsat, signature, all kind of satellite, about the weather and atmospheric. So here you need it's a little bit different, because here you need some kind of coding. When you know about the coding, so you can easily get from here data, because this is a coding based site. So for this you need to learn coding. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will help you, and the links of these sites will be shared in the description of the video. So thanks for watching.